the bottom line of condition-based maintenance. When carried out correctly, condition-based maintenance is a minimally disruptive form of maintenance that lessens overhead costs, risk to workers, and downtime due to unexpected breakdowns. Maintenance managers should be aware, however, that setting up a CBM program can be costly, and the changes required to set up the strategy could be met with resistance or confusion. At the end of the day, this strategy requires a great deal of expertise to analyze the data and condition information presented.